Hi guys, today we will see how to get the Mac OS cursor on Windows. Before we start, I'd appreciate it if you could leave a subscribe and a like. It would help me a lot. Thanks. Well, the first step is to go to our favorite browser and enter the URL that I will leave in the description. Now click here and download. Well, once the file is downloaded, we will take it to the desktop. Here, we simply extract the file. Here there are 3 folders. In each one you can choose what size you want the cursor. In my case, I will choose this size. Simply open the folder, right-click here, and click Install. Once installed, you will go to Windows, Control Panel, Mouse. Click on Pointers, and here you have all the cursors that you have installed. Simply choose the one of macOS. To uninstall the cursor, we return to the folder and we go down a little until we find this file. Just right-click on it and click on Open. If you found the video useful, leave me a like and a subscription. Thanks!